अहन बमुक्तदा इरमदम सनालेबाक कांगलेपाक मणिपुर की मनुंग अमसुंग मपानदा लेख्रबा मीतेइलोल मीतेइ मे पुनुंग सिजेबु खुदिंग पुंगांग कंप्रेमेसोरना इकाई खुमना उचरी चैनल असिगी ममिंग मणिपुर लैंग्वेजेस फीचर्स हाइना कौजे मसी नैनगदब असि मीतेइलोल की वाहै थांगनाव हाइबदी मीतेइलोल की वाहै मथंग मनाव इंग्लिश दा हाइरगा मीतेइलोल डिक्शनरी की मतांगदा नैनजगदबनी पेज ना 29 लमाई कुमापंदनी अदुदी आई होजे मथंग मथंग हाजिरके मीतेइलोल वाहेइथांगनाउ मीतेइलोल डिक्शनरी 124 सुबो वाहेइदा मसिगी ममांगदी हाना अपलोड तौबदा यावजेख्रे 124 सुबो वाहेइदा क्रक क्रक सिक्पा सिना इंग्लिश में का इबा मीतेइलोल की खोंथो दुनी थौक्ता भाव कन्ना शिक्षिनबा इंग्लिश दा हाइरगा to neighbor. 124 words. The word is krak in English alphabet pronunciations of Meeteilol is krak. Then in grammar Meeteilol thauta in English is verb. Kanna shikshinba. This is the pronunciations of English of the Meeteilol word. Then the English meaning is to nibble. Then 125 word. Kruk tanaba. Thauta bhav. Kruk yengnaba. Henba tanaba. English ki waida ibda mayekte ibda Meeteilol ki khothoasi kruk yengnaba. Henba tanaba. English ki word meaning the to vie with enter into rivalry. 125 word is kruk tanaba. In English alphabet the pronunciations of Meeteilol is kruk tanaba. In English grammar is verb and in Meeteilol grammar is thaudown. Kruk yengnaba. Henba tanaba. English alphabet, the pronunciation of Meeteilol is kruk yengnaba. Henba tanaba. The meaning in Meeteilol written in English alphabet. Then in English alphabet, the meaning is to vie with enter into rivalry. Next, this is the map of Manipur. Masina Manipur ki map ni masa India ki state amani. This is the map of Manipur. Meeteilol is also known as Manipuri language. Manipuri language is a state language of Manipur. We must remember that Meeteilol is known as Manipuri language. Meeteilol is the state language of Manipur. Manipur is a state of India present in the northeastern boundary of India. We must remember Meeteilol because it is the state language of Manipur. Makhataba amuk hajirake 126 subawata karamba mafamda Meeteilol ki khotho the English make the ibada karamba mafamda thong ta adverb mafam kadaida ado English ki khonthokta English ka alphabet ibada Meeteilol ki khotho se mafam kadaida English ki meaning the where at what place 126 word. The word of Meeteilol is karamba mafamda. In English pronunciations, the pronunciations of Meeteilol is karamba mafamda. In English grammar, adverb. Meeteilol is thawongta. The other meaning of karamba mafamda is mafam kadaida. In English, the meaning of karamba mafamda is where at what place. Samaga kuntaresu wahaida karapur pambi mingta noun. Manap ngurunaba pambi makal ama. Aduga Meeteilol gi khontho du English make ithokpa matamda mana ngaurunaba pambi makhal ama. English ki meaning dadi kain habda a kind of plant having whitish leaf. Blumia aromatic. Camphor. Camphor is extracted from the leaf of this plant. 127 watt in Meeteilol Waaheithangnau. The pronunciation of Meeteilol in English alphabet is Karpur Pambi. In English grammar, Karpur Pambi is noun, but in Meeteilol, Mingtang. Mana ngaurunaba Pambi makhal ama. In English alphabet, the pronunciation of Meeteilol is Mana ngaurunaba Pambi makhal ama. In English meaning, Karpur Pambi is a kind of plant having whitish leaf. In scientific name, Karpur Pambi is Blumia aromatis. Camphor is extracted from the leaf of this plant. Matusum taudana Meeteilol gi wahai singasi English mayekta ithokpa amadi karam meaning lege habdu matang asida nainazare mathangdadi Meeteilol gi mayek sing asi sirinarga English mayekta ithokpa matamda mataw karam tawna Meetei mayek sing ase English alphabet onthokadagi habigi matangda amu nainazage. Now let us discuss about the spelling of Meeteilol written in Meetei in English alphabet. So let us start now how to write Meetei alphabet in English alphabet. Meeteilol Yekchenlol Meeteilol spelling. Apun Khudam haibadi makada phaina line masingadi. Apun Khudam sijinnaba. Adi mataw karamna apun Khudam tarasi nagadage haibaduni sizin nainagadabji essay number 1 sile si essay number 1 sida apun Khudam lele. Masi mataw karamna sizinnagadage haibagi matangda nainajagadabani apun Khudam sizinnaba mapung maye ani khonthokki khujing amada khonthokpada mapung maye ani adugi makhada apun Khudam sizinnai. Now let us note that apun Khudam is used under two alphabets like this. This is a horizontal line used under these two alphabet, Meetei alphabet, Kok and the line here. This is called apun Khudam. When two alphabet pronounced as only one syllable, then apun is used under the two alphabets. Next, asterisk number 2, Tanaba. Asterisk number 2, Tanaba. Tanaba haiba wahai da atap habliba ba ase lonsum nate khanganabani ana tanaba haiba wahai si silere seda baz de da atap hape masigi maramdi karigino hai matamda ba ase lonsum nate khanganabagi da makteni. In the words Tanaba, atap is present above this ba because ba is not used as lonsum. Therefore, atap is used above this ba. Let's next anis machamdamo no jingsin gadabda tanaba haibisde kaino da tan na ba haibani. Tan na ba haibji khontoki khujing ahumni. The first one is tan, second one is na, third one is ba. Tan na ba. Masilida bada atap hablibasi ba se lonsum nate khanogina maktani. Baramaduna tanaba hai matamda bada atap habliba use habzi kaino bada atap hablibase sizinagani haiba aduna khontoki khujam tan na ba haina sumane lakadaba. Mathangda number 2 da tanaba haibasida bajda atap hapji karingba sidida bajda atap hapta targadi khontoki khujing anida losinagani. Madi kaino tan no and not use have the kaino tan nap haiba wahai ase sizinaro tan nap khontoki khujing ani ida losingi maramda. So we must remember that in the case of the tanaba when use this word atap will be used here. If atap is not used, then the syllable is only two when atap is not used in ba. Therefore, this word is not present. Tanab word is not present. So we must remember that atap will be added above this ba for using the word tanaba. Masang the asterisk number 3 ki matang da mo hajar ke tanaba haiba wahai asidida is da mase double a oi a oi maram di kari no da tanaba haiba word asidida mase long toni aduga na sina lonsum oi ana wahai ama long ton adi lonsum oi raba a lonsum oi raba du targadi a je hakoneba English ta hakani Machina highly karino when a word is used as long tone, then n is used as lonesome. Then if the word here is tan is long form or long tone, then a will be used. Maramasina aikoina Meeteilol gi wahaida a double a oiba wahai ase he kariguma matam da yawi maramdi long tone oiba amadi wahai adugi hairiba long tone yauriba wahai di aroiba da sizinariba long tone adugi aroiba da sizinariba mai ado lonsum oiba tarabadi madu aikoina long tone oigani a sizinagani a will be used when a syllable is a long form and a is used, then a will be used. Matang asida ngasigi onidi Meeteilol gi Waaheithangnau habdi Meeteilol gi dictionary gi matangda nainajabalo jare channel asigi mami Manipur languages features haina kaujai channel asiba anba yengbu ba oiragadi like to view amsung subscribe to view matangi upload to matamda aikoi punna amuhana unaminasi ngasigi di matang ta lusinjare punna mukbui kai kumnaba uchari